guys, it's your girl Shania.
I'm Anna.
And it's Ishka.
And welcome to
Side TV. Guys, we know we're gonna feel look a while, but we'll come back now.
Come back again. Oh! I just posted the vlog.
Yes. Oh. I forgot. Anyways. Yeah, y'all go check that vlog out and then come back. We'll wait. Alright guys, so as you can see from the title of the video, we're gonna be getting Anna mom reaction of me acting ghetto, quote unquote ghetto, whatever that is. So that's why I'm having these big ass earrings, excuse me, and that's why, you know, my edge is like this and my hair don't have no water, so y'all don't trip. I don't trip. Y'all see that bit? You know, y'all don't trip. Anyways, guys. Yeah, so before we get into this video, don't forget to like,
comment, share,
and subscribe. And we'll see y'all when she get in the car. Peace. Okay, guys, we're getting her now. So, yeah.
She's not about that? Mama do shit like that.
She do, but no, last time when I came to get her, she waited. Okay, you can tell her to come outside. Tell her to come outside. We're about to start right now. Wait. Are we recording?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Let me put down the seat. Guys, so the camera is set up on that little thingy that I have, and I turn my brightness down so she can't see. She can't see while I'm recording. Let me drink my lemonade.
Keep my shoes up there.
Hello.
Keep out my shoes.
Where you put your shoes on your sofa?
You see too close up, you can't bring it back.
Bombat. Nice.
Bombat!
Let me see it.
Good girl.
Bombat!
Very
Good
nice.
girl!
Bombat.
What the exact create?
I like it. Nobody do that. You know, say well like them.
I like it.
Nice.
We know you like it.
Cause them thing them
See, you
like.
should do it better. No, me I go film, man. I told you to Charles.
How you want to
Okay.
I'm a new friend.
And you didn't talk to her.
A nice, clean little girl.
Eh?
Nice, clean little girl.
Yeah.
She do have a lot of hair, so nice.
I hear nice, yeah.
I fear her mama what she have, not true.
Her mother, but look at her father, she get it from.
The mama what she have.
Or the father, she get it from.
The mama and the father ugly.
No, sir, the father, she get
Them
it
hard to look on.
I like, don't say that, Shana.
Mommy, them hard to
The
look
people,
on.
them not ugly. I mean, the father is a good, the father
Them
do
hard to
ugly.
look on.
He's a big man and he no ugly. She the only girl. She have 3 brothers.
When I go buy a store.
Me? How sweet or no? What the ice cream?
Come to the mama. What will they fit?
Is that a fridge?
Yes, freezer.
I mean, they think they're going to eat it.
Sorry, mom.
I don't want to eat this. Shania, the lady no ugly topic.
The mama and the daddy ugly.
No, Shania.
I'm ugly. Want to go?
She said from.
Paranoia.
She said when me come in there, she saw me your sister.
She try to stay young. They have something
She said, oh, I'm talking to my daughter. She said, your daughter? I said, yes, that's my daughter.
Such a waste man.
When the a smoke?
Look. No ambition.
Him like cancer. We have to request the man for the man. Some people like cancer, you know? Probably his wife has stressed him and him one dead. Oh, sweet, them two idiots are running, sir.
Not him one dead. What? Him wife one dead?
His wife has stressed him out, so him one dead. That's why I smoke. Sometimes man stress out woman, you know?
Woman stress out, man.
Yeah, woman stress out, man. Yeah. I watched one movie last night and bought the girl. Of course, she and her boyfriend a bartender. And you have one hitman come for him because the man can't drive truck. So the man wanted to drive truck to come help with the robbery. And she and him there at the bar now. Cayman Island, I sell. White girl and white boy, you know. Wait there.
can't be bothered with this pussy house, right? It's not language.
Eh?
No!
You know?
Why?
What?
Why, my body? A nice, clean body.
Yeah, trouble, you know? How do we greet up on your head?
Girl, let me take off my wig.
How do we greet on our head, Shania? Ishka?
She never take it off all the way.
You know, see my edges? Look. You know, see my cap? You know, my earring them too?
That one was fun.
I get from beauty supply. I feel myself a little in a hot girl something.
You feel yourself?
Yeah, hot girl
Of course, you
something.
don't feel yourself a hot girl, you know?
Yes.
You say hot girl for your
Good
Mabella.
up, good up.
Your Mabella not have nothing for you.
I say you cannot come over. It's not your turn. In your Asian mobile. Sure. Play me song, yeah.
That's so funny. All the each of them, I'm not caring for you.
Wait there.
Look at SUV them.
But I think, I'm not talking about the Spanish them. The little people them with the big old truck.
True.
And then you
And
look,
them so short.
yeah, them have fill up on the seat. To catch up and to stay up on this up on the dashboard top.
Because it's not too cool. You don't bother with it, you know. You don't bother with it. I'm ready for everybody today.
How do Shania and
So
the
if you play now.
Every house better wipe it up. Bitch, don't make me put my weave in that rubber band. Slap a bitch down with the fuck shit. Y'all hoes better tighten up. Y'all hoes better tighten up. Nigga fucking on me and I'm stressing. Haters trying to knock me for the shit that I'm blessed with, period. You gotta come how address it. Real fucking for half. I'm my dog outside. If it's a nigga, I
Them why you never take it this morning?
I just had to wear the gummy bear.
Let me see.
always wanna fuck me and every
Jimmy, please.
You know what kind of song that you like, miss?
You don't like City Girls?
What's that bad?
She said, bitch, let me put my weave in a rubber band. Period.
Me too, it's dry.
Why didn't get
Dry.
that? Put it in a rubber band.
Dry. Dry.
Dry.
Oh, man, I got this. It looks nice. Where I go? Where we go?
What do something where you use?
This. Oh.
I think kind of nice.
I didn't even know that was a car.
Yeah.
Lincoln? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think a Lincoln tree that I don't know Lincoln. A Lincoln. What the man? Benjamin Lincoln. What the man name? Benjamin Lincoln?
What?
Benjamin Lincoln?
Abraham Lincoln?
Oh yeah, that man. That man. That man, that man.
Yeah, that's I don't come on too long and people hungry.
The ice cream, did that melt? Yeah, a Chick-fil-A in our mall.
Which mall?
In our mall where we are going.
How where you say?
Yeah. Hey, what the boy? Sure. I'm not see a tool in my driving. Ishka, your phone now work. The music down.
And that song they lick out, this song lick out, this.
Yeah. A nice song. No, like them song. Let me show you my other song what I like too.
I don't know how to get a girl and then
Them make money though.
Okay.
Nice, clean
But
money.
for them money, me no business with them and them money. But some me like them and
Let
them
me
get to me.
play my other song. And say me not like this too because him worse. Oh,
Who?
that song is worse.
Them really still on the Friday?
They want to drive. What about your work? I'm going to drive it until they fix it.
Me a Uber too.
Oh God, don't do it. Oh God. No, Kara, once you can get it from point B,
what's
C, and a nice clean girl.
No, but look how she walk.
Get your lip gloss too.
Our lip long like.
I mean, I got singing. Wait. Regular color?
Hello?
You got that thing?
No? Where they? What kind of song you play again, boss?
Listen.
What's wrong with you and the little dirty song then?
I can't tell. Listen.
And I can't tell that.
So lick the balls, lick the balls, lick the ball, no grab. Don't stand up, hold my jump, stand it like
Let hear him.
Tell me no know what it
Him
is.
say lick the balls, whatever that means.
Me hearing?
Girl, where the Cardi B comes. A Cardi, you didn't hear Cardi B part? Wait, listen to it. You know the dance too?
Beat it up, nigga, catch a charge. Extra large and extra hard.
That is not how the dance goes.
Oh, them for not here and do that. The part, let me tell you what more on. That's something I should say.
Take a dive. Park that Big Mac truck.
Right in this little garage.
Cream, let me tell you, I got this ring.
Follow me, follow me, trip down, follow me, follow me, follow me.
Yeah, pay attention.
Hey, Lord Dad, the phone.
We can stay right there.
We need the phone.
Wait there.
Nasty. And on my foot. Wanna hear what she said in the video? Hear what she said? I wanna choke, I wanna choke, I wanna touch that little thing in the thing that's rocking in the back of my toe.
Calm down yourself and jazz.
Right? I know some. What she said? She said ding-a-ling-a-ling in the tongue of my
You
throat.
don't even know the words.
Video pause.
I feel chicken she said.
She said tongue in my back of my toe. That's what she said. What that she said?
Shania, put your seatbelt.
Where's the seatbelt?
She gotta pick up a phone. Me I wait till me stop. I'm going to warn out.
I want to play on the bubble gum.
You know when gum nice and sweet.
Nobody that hear about the gum
You
road.
wanna reach it.
Shania, wait until you reach the stoplight.
Lord, calm down, girl, calm down.
No, but then stop it and get the phone.
Get my phone, you know.
You reach it?
Yes, girl. But I'm away from here, yeah. We're not go too far. Go on here. Come through, goodie. I'm sorry, it's not your turn. Sure.
We know wait. What's wrong with you?
Guys, you're not, it's not blind. We don't give blind here. Listen here, I have something to tell you. I know you're going to take it, but I don't care either. I want prank. You think I really act like this? Do you really think I act like this? Crying emojis. Mommy, you really think I'm act like this? Don't you know my songs? Excuse me.
Where's that?
It's a prank. Look, say hi to the camera. It was recording you the whole time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you never see it?
You want me to start first now?
Guys, that was such a good prank. Listen, Ishka, me and Annalise almost gave me out because they was just in the back laughing and she's wondering what are they laughing at. Oh my god. That was so funny. Me not even never care. Me I look at mommy and she looks so uncomfortable like she wants to somebody and say, I can't wait for going to tell Annalise how Shania gave her. And then I look at her and where do you think? Tell me where do you think?
Me I wonder what wrong with you.
Yeah, you take it for you? No. No. Right? Calm and collective and play a nice song. You're true. That's what me I said. No song. We just get that. It wasn't a prank. It was to get your reaction to see. Cause then you would say for them, I would take them serious. But that was funny. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like,
Comment, share,
and subscribe.